A very good morning, class 4. Yes, how are you, students? I hope you are doing good. Great. All good? Very good. So now, today we will continue exercise 16. So I hope question number 1 to 18 completed. Good. So today we will continue from question number 19, right? Yes. So take out your maths book and maths copy and do this work in your fair copy, right? Yes. So open the fresh page in your copy and open the page number 78 in your book. So now mention the date first. So today's date is 7th. 7 of September is 9th month and 2020. So question number 19 is find the quotient when dividend equals to 5940 and divisor equals to 54. So now we have to find quotient, right? Yes. So how can we solve? Yes, formula is we have divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend So dividend is 5940 equals to divisor is 54 into quotient is don't know, so we write quotient is quotient and remainder is 0. If two things are unknown, then remainder equals to 0. फॉर्मूला है डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर, राइट? सो डिविडेंड आपका गिवन है 5940, डिवाइजर गिवन है 554 इंटू क्वोशिएंट आपसे पूछा गया है, राइट? सो रिमाइंडर आपका यहाँ पे क्या है 0 रहेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर की बात नहीं हो रही है, राइट? यहाँ से आपको क्या निकालना है क्वोशिएंट. सो प्लस 0 आइडेंटिटी ऑफ 0 पड़ी है, राइट? सो 5940 equals to 54 into quotient. इफ़ कोई भी चीज़ आपकी मल्टीप्लाई में है देन वो किस में जाएगी, रिवर्स साइड जब जाएगी तब वो अपोजिट साइन में जाती है. तो प्लस वाला माइनस में जाता है, माइनस वाला प्लस में, मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड में जाएगा, डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई में. तो यहाँ पे बेटा 5940 इज डिविडेंड एंड 54 इज अ डिवाइजर. सो 54 इज इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो if we change the order, right, if we change the place, then इस साइन क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. 54 equals to quotient. Now we find out 5940 by 54. So dividend is 5940 and this is 54. So take two numbers from left side. 59, 54 ones are 54, so write 1 at the tens place above the 9, right? So 54 into 1 is 54. So 54 goes into 59 1 times. Now we subtract 54 from 59. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Now bring down 4 to make 54. So 54 into 1 is 54. So write 1 next to the 1 in the quotient. Now we subtract 54 from 54 is 0. Now bring down 0. So make 0 0 and write 0 next to 1 in the quotient. So 54 into 110 equals to 5940, right? So quotient is 110. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर क्या है, 0 है बेटा, और हमने यहाँ पे 0 लिखा था. इट मीन्स इसका रिमाइंडर क्या है, 0 ही है. ओके, यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द डिवाइजर व्हेन डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू 7560, 7560 एंड क्वोशंट इक्वल्स टू 66. सो नाउ वी हैव डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend equals to 7560, divisor equals to, we don't know, so divisor equals to divisor into quotient is 63. It means we have to find divisor. So 7560, 63 is in multiplication. So if ये इधर आएगा तो साइन किस में हो जाएगा, डिवीजन, एंड रिमाइंडर 0, राइट. नाउ डिवाइजर. Now we divide 7560 divided by 63 plus 0. So 7560 divided by 63. So 63 goes into 75 at once time. So write 1 above 5 in the quotient. So 63 into 1 is 63. Now we subtract 63 from 75. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 6 to make 126. Now 63 goes into 126 at how many times? I think 2. So we check 63 into 2. 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 12. 126. So 63 goes into 126 is 2 times. So write 2 next to the 1 in the tens place in the quotient. So 63 into 2 is 126. Now we subtract 126 from 126. 0. Now bring down 0 to make 0 and write 0 next to the 2 in the quotient. So divisor is 120. And now homework is do question number 21 and 22 in your fair copy, right? Yes. फॉर्मूला सेम लगेगा आपका. डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. वैल्यू पुट है, वैल्यू आपकी गिवन है, आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. एक बता देते हैं. वी हैव डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इनटू क्वोशिएंट. वेट, मार्कर चेंज करना पड़ेगा. डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. So dividend equals to, don't know, so dividend at the place of dividend, so we write same dividend. So divisor is 65 and quotient is 56 and remainder is 50. Now first thing, we multiply 65 into 56. So now first we multiply 65 into 56. Now first we multiply 6 into all numbers of dividend, all numbers of multiplicand. So 6 5s are 30. So write 0 under 1's column and carry over 3 at the tens place. So 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Now again we write 0 because 5 is in tens position. So 5 5 is 25. So write 5 at the tens place and carry over 2 to the tens place. So 5 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Now we are adding them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. So write 4 under tens column and carry over 1 to the 100 place. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 3. So 3 6 4 0 plus 50. Now we are adding 3 6 4 0 plus 50. 0 5 plus 4 is 9 6 3. So now dividend equals to 3690. As it is question number 22. So this is your homework. So do question number 22 in your fair copy. Right? Yes. Tomorrow we will start next exercise 17. Right? Thank you so much class and have a nice day.